In this video, we'll walk you through how to repair scratches on your Lumacast Fire Feature. Here are some items that you'll need: a clean, non-abrasive cloth towel or paper towel, 8 fluid ounces of water, and a drop cloth to protect your floor. And these items will come with your scratch repair kit: an 800 grit polishing pad, a 400 grit polishing pad, a soft sanding pad, a roller head and a roller handle, a 3-bottle sealer kit, a spray bottle, and disposable safety gloves. With your safety gloves on, first remove the spray bottle nozzle and fill it about 1/4 of the way with approximately 8 fluid ounces of water. Then take the 3 sealer bottles and pour the contents into the spray bottle. Secure the nozzle back onto the bottle and shake for about 10 seconds. Take the spray bottle, your pads, and towel to your fire feature. It's always a good idea to have a drop cloth covering the floor area next to your fire feature. This will avoid getting sealant on your floor surface. Use your towel and gently clean the area that you wish to repair, removing any dirt or debris. Using your 800 pad, gently polish the surface of the repair area using small circles. Keep doing this until the surface is smooth to the touch. Then, using your towel, wipe down the excess residue. With your spray bottle, apply a few sprays of sealer to the repair area. Then gently apply the roller over the sealer. Once applied, let the sealer dry for 24 hours. After that time, your fire feature is ready to enjoy again. If you have any further questions, please call us during regular business hours or email us at any time. Thanks for watching.